Welcome to In Jamaica, and if this is your first time here, please subscribe, click the notification bell and stick around to see places in Jamaica. This video is aimed at giving you a general overview, but you can check the video description for added information. Currently, we are traveling south from Christiana to Sedberge. Entering Sedberge. On the left, we are passing Sacred Heart Academy Preparatory School and also the Sacred Heart Roman Catholic Church. Continuing straight will take you to the other section of Sedberge, but we'll be making the left towards Clarendon and Spalding. The upcoming road to the right will take you to Homewood Technical High School and Mount Olivet Primary School. Please remember to subscribe to In Jamaica. Give us a like and share, and thank you all for watching.